All right, today I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats of a car so you have more cargo space inside of your vehicle. All right, I'm going to show you, I'm going to walk you through this process. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so as you can see, I'm in the rear of a car. Now these instructions, are specific for this vehicle, but generally it could be used for many vehicles. The operation is generally the same. All right, so I'm in the vehicle, and what I'll do is I'm gonna walk in and then I'll look right here, and I'm gonna show you this in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk open. All right, so I'm popping the trunk open so you can see what's in here. There is space right here, but we're gonna have more space inside of the vehicle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come around here and I'm gonna look for a notch like this, okay? So this notch is right here, and I'm going to pull it, and it releases the seat, and I'm able to pull it forward. Now note, this is for this operation, you may see a button right here. Other vehicles may have a almost string or strap that you pull, and you pull it, and it unlocks the rear seat. So I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna push it forward. But look, it doesn't go all the way forward. Why is that? Because the seat is here. Sometimes people remove the headrest right here. This headrest is preventing it to allow the seat to fold down. Or some more modern vehicles actually have the headrest to where they collapse and fold down, and you're able to do this. But if you run into this situation right here, you could remove the headrest, or you could just hop back up to the front and then move the seat forward and then come back around here, and you can see that is enough space for the seat to fold down right here on this side, okay? And we actually have more room to where I can actually push this back, back into place right here, and voila. You see that? Now we have the other side. Now I'm gonna show you how to put them back into place as well. So I'm gonna go to the other side of the vehicle. And then on this side of the vehicle, I'm just gonna come back in here, and you'll notice that there is a button for this side as well. Now, because that seat was already pushed forward, I don't have to push that seat forward. And you can look right there, there is ample amount of cargo space. And if I don't want this bar here, just pull that out the way and look at how much more cargo space I have inside of the vehicle after I've laid down the seats. Now to put them back up, you just come back around here and push it. Make sure the seat belt is not in the way, and it locks into place. Very important for it to lock into place. Come back on to this side, and I'll do the same thing. But you see the seat, I pushed it back, and now the seat won't go up. So what I'll do is I'll push that forward, and then I'll come onto this side and then make sure the seat belt is out of the way. And then I'll take this seat, make sure it clicks back into place. And now I have the seats up. And that is how you fold down the rear seats for more space. And that's how you put them back up inside of the car. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you're able to get your seats down so you have more cargo space for hauling stuff. All right, thanks a lot for watching.